Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this. This should be ultra easy. When I first saw it, I thought, really? But I remember back in the day when I first started with Corel, and this might have seemed complex. So what I'm going to do, I've got the bitmap locked. I've got my white locked. No, I don't. I'm going to shift select both of them. And I'm going to go to object. And I'm going to lock them so I can't grab them now, no matter what I do. Because I want to draw on top of here. And I want to make a 2-point line from there to there. I'm going to make it about 8 points. Too big. 4 points. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and give me some rounded corners right here. Now that made it a little bit bigger than it was. But then I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And I'm going to left click, right click. Maybe, let's see what yellow. No, red's going to look the best. And this thing's kind of tapered. So I'm going to bring this, I'm going to select those 3 nodes and I'm going to bring that in a little bit. Then on this one, I'm going to do the same thing. I don't know how that got messed up. Well, then I want to take this one and just I deleted it accidentally. And you'd probably want to nudge this. And because they're just tapered. And I'm going to say that's pretty good. Now we need to find out. So I'm going to make a circle, an ellipse. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to grab my shape tool or my shift tool. So we're a little bit, my graphic is off from the center of the page. So what I can do is go to object, lock and unlock all. Set my nudge factor real little. And nudge that where my drawing will be more in the center of the page. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and lock it again. So I'm going to select that, shift select the bitmap, 2 items selected, 2 objects. Locking to me is a big deal. Now, my line is a little bit off now, but we can definitely just take it. See, that way I can grab that. And it did a pretty good angle. He didn't say how precise. He can take his time. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation button. Put it in the center of the page. Go back up, make sure it is. And we need to rotate this to there. And we're at 6.431. I'm a little bit off. I'm a little bit past. So I'm going to go 6.4. I'm still a little past. 6.35. Wow. 6.3. Now, there's a couple ways we could do this. We could just Control D again. We're still in the center of the page. And go 12.6. Ironically, we're dead on. We're losing a little bit up. But that can be adjusted. And we might even be able to, let's tell you what, let's back up a little bit. And who says the picture, if the picture was taken on a slant, then this isn't going to work. You know, or what I'm doing is going to work. So let's just see how good it is. All right, I'm going to take when I'm grabbing that, I'm grabbing the ellipse. So I'm going to go like 5 inches. And I'm going to do that circle out of the way because I don't need it anymore. Control D and make a duplicate. If you remember, we did 6.35 degrees. Why don't we go minus 6.35 degrees? Control D. See, we're gaining a little bit again, but not too bad. My Corel will do that from time to time. And this is the hardest part, to go up here and go plus 6.35%. No. See what I did wrong? Minus 6.35 degrees. See how far we're off? But let's don't worry about it right now. Let's see how this looks. Let's go object, lock, unlock all. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Make these all black. Take away the outline. And I think we're good. I didn't make it all black. Somehow my color palette changed colors there. And because they're a line, I'm right clicking. And you can also fill them in. No, because we changed them to an object. That's pretty good. It's pretty close. And there's a lot of ways you could do this. And if this doesn't help him, he'll let me know and I'll figure out another way. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.